Hello everyone, welcome to RapidGam. So guys, in this video we are going to solve question 5 of your exercise 3.2. Okay, so hope all of you have gone through my previous videos of this chapter. So those who have not gone through the previous video, please go and watch those videos first. Why I am saying that? Because I have explained the concept of which is needed to solve this exercise in my previous videos. Okay, so you can find the link of the playlist in the description section below. So please go and watch that video. So now we will start with your question number 5. So what's the question number 5 is saying that half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Okay, so let's first draw the rectangular garden. Let's first draw the rectangular garden. So this is going to be your rectangular garden. I will name it something. Okay, so let me name it. I will say this is A, this is your B point, this is your C point, and this is your D point. Correct? Now what they are saying, that if the length is 4 meter more than its width, so what you will have to do? Which chapter you are studying, guys? You guys are studying the pair of linear equations in two variable. Means there are two variables, so you will have to assume two variable. So let's assume length. Let's assume beta length is equal to x meter and your width is equal to y meter. Correct? So I will say this is your length and this is your width, x meter and y meter. Now, so what's the first condition is given? First condition is length is 4 meter more than its width. Means if I am going to add 4 in the width, I will get length. Means x is equal to y plus 4. Correct? X is equal to y plus 4. Y is your width. Saying this, look here beta. They are saying length is 4 meter more than its width. Means x is equal to y plus 4. Correct? So this, if I will simplify this, I will get x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. This is my equation number 1. Hope it's clear, guys. This is my equation number 1. Correct? Now find the second equation. What's the how you are going to find the second equation? Because in order to solve pair of linear equations of two variable, you need two equations. Because there are two variables. So the number of variables, if there are three variables, you need three equations. If there are four variables, you need four equations. In this case, there are only two variables, so you need two equations. Correct? So the second condition is saying that half of the perimeter of the rectangle is 36. So what is the formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle? So perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter I can say 2 times length plus width. Correct? So this I can write it like this, perimeter is equal to 2 times x plus y. And what the condition is saying? Condition is saying that half of the perimeter is equal to 36 meter. So half of this perimeter means 2 times x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 36. So 2 to cancel. It means from here I will get x plus y is equal to 36. X plus y is equal to 36. It means, hold on. It means beta, 1 second. This from this I got my second equation. Correct? Second equation is your x plus y is equal to your 36. So this is my second equation. So now I got two equations, first equation and second equation. Now I will have to find the solution. What you will have to find? You will have to find the dimension. Means actually you will have to find the value of x and you will have to find the value of y. Correct? So let's solve this using graph method. So first equation is x minus y is equal to 4. So let me write it over here, x minus y is equal to 4. Second equation is beta, hold on, x plus y is equal to 36. X plus y is equal to 36. Okay. So let's solve this. How we are going to solve? Okay, let's first we'll have to find the coordinates of equation 1. So x and y, I will take x is equal to 20. So what will the value of y? So 20 minus y equal to 4 means y is your 16, correct? Let's take another value. Any other value beta here? Let me take x is equal to, now x I will take 24. So y will be beta 20. This is one equation. The coordinates of your equation 1. Now you will have to find the coordinates of your equation beta 2. So how we are going to find the coordinates? X plus y is equal to 36 means I will say, I will write over here x and y. So I will take x equal to 20. So what should I add like in 20 so that my answer will become 36? So y will be 16. Very simple, correct? Now let's take any other value. So I will take again x is equal to 24. So y will be your 12. Correct? So these are the two values I got it. Now what I will do? I will have to draw the graph. So let me draw the x-axis and y-axis. So this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Some of you might be surprised, like maybe surprised why I am like in my every question I was taking the values very smaller. But in this case, why I am taking the larger values? Why I am taking the larger values? Because beta, here you can see it's 36 and it's very like hard to draw from 0 to 36 1111. It's going to be time consuming. So I have taken the numbers, I have taken, just see here, but I have taken the numbers in such a way that all these numbers are multiples of 4. You can see 20, 16, 24, 20, 12, all are the multiple of 4. So what I will do, whenever I am going to draw the graph, I am going to make this is your 4, okay, 8, 12, 16, I will say after 16 it's 20 and this will go till, I will say this is only your 24, correct? So this is the 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 and 24. Here also I will take like this beta, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Got it? Now the first point is 20, 16. So this is 20 and that point will be 16. So that's going to be somewhere here. Correct? So this point is your 20, 16. The next one is 24, 20. So 24, 20 is going to be somewhere here. This point is your 24, 20. Now what will I do? We'll have to draw the line, correct? So see here, this is your line. Now do the same thing for the second one, 20, 16. So again this point is your 20, 16. Next one is 24, 12. So this is your 24 and this one is your 12. Correct. So now if I am going to draw the line, you can clearly see that line is intersecting the point 20, 16. So this 20, 16 is your answer, means the value of x is equal to 20 and the value of y is equal to 16. And what is your x and y? What are your x and y? X is the length of the, so length will become your 20 meter will become your length and width will become your 16 meter. That's your answer. That's your answer. Hope it's clear. If any one of you having any doubt, guys, please feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.